Hey there, Chris Gooderham here with a WordPress tip for you. If you're updating to WordPress 3.3, I believe it's called Sunny now, there's one little issue that WordPress has, or at least one issue that I've stumbled upon, and I wish I had known about it. So I'm creating this little video for you, is when you go to, if you've updated WordPress, and then you go to insert an image into your post, there's something that goes wrong with the jQuery window. So I'm going to show you. I'm the webmaster for Peterborough Field Naturalists, and I'm in the middle of creating a new page here, or excuse me, a new website. I haven't actually officially updated it or uploaded it for that matter. We're about to launch it in the new year. So I wanted to show you, I still haven't updated WordPress 3.3, so I wanted to show you on my dashboard. I have another website, my own website, chrisgooderham.com. I've already updated to 3.3. This one I haven't, so I'm going to use this as a demonstration to show you what happens when you insert an image into a page or a post. It doesn't work. So this is not 3.3 yet, so it is available. I'm not going to update it now. I'm going to show you what happens when it does work. So I'm going to create a page here. I'll create a new page just for fun. This is a demo on old version of WordPress. Hey gang, this is an image that I want to show you. So you can see where my cursor is. See the old upload insert buttons? These are before WordPress 3.3. These are different buttons. So you'd click on this one, for example, for an image, this one for a video, that one for music, and that one for a different type of media. That could be animations or whatever. So you get this image, add image window rather, and everything seems to fine. You can go and select a file, or you browse from it in your media library. Let's say I want to, let's see this picture of the, well, let's put in our banner. In a small one, insert into post. So there it is. It works. What happens when you update to 3.3? So I'm actually just going to publish this just for fun, and I'll show you that indeed it works. So let's view the page. There. So hey gang, this is blah blah blah. So there it works. I'm gonna now update to 3.3. Please update now. I'll show you what happens. First we go to update because this is already installed on the server. I don't need to download it onto my own server. It's already online. I'm going to click on that. WordPress is, you can see it spinning around here. It's updating the latest version. Excellent. So now it shows you some cool tips, and there are some really neat new features. This rollover effect now, so when you roll over, it actually shows you the contents below, or if you click on it, it gives you them down below, but that's kind of slick. They've also updated this admin bar. You can go ahead and play with that. But what I wanted to show you, I'm going to go back to, let's go see my demo of the old version. So now they give you the reminder, update media uploader. So now it's just one button. That's very cool. Add media. I've added a media right there. Let's say I want to add another image. This is an image I want to show you. This is the other image I wanted to show you now that I've updated to 3.3. So you can see where my cursor is. We'll dismiss this. I'm going to now use this upload insert add media button, and I was going to insert the other image right there. So cool. What happens when you click on it? Watch this. My screen just goes black, and that's perhaps what's happening to you. Bummer. You're like, okay, cool. Where's that window? So here's the issue, and it's a very simple fix. So now I'm going to show you the fix, and that is under Safari, empty cache. You click on empty cache, and Safari prompts you with this reminder, are you sure you want to empty the cache? And Safari saves the contents of websites you open and stores them in a cache, so the pages load faster when you visit them again. And the nature of WordPress is that it is a browser-based interface, and every time you click on any of these links, you're literally clicking on new web page content. And so all of that information stored in your history and in your cache, and you actually need to delete that in order to get some of the new features in 3.3 to work. So yes, you definitely want to click empty. And now check it out. So you've clicked on that, and when you go insert, it still doesn't work. And you're going, why is that not working? So what you actually need to do is log out of your session. Get out of the session, make sure that you then do empty cache. Yes, empty the cache, because it remembers that old session. So now you're going to log back in. Okay, and the new feature toolbar, all these new reminders, they're very slick. Thank you. I'll just dismiss that for now. Now let's go back to our pages. Okay, let's see if that worked. I want to show you that other image for the demo. So let's click on the upload, insert, add media button, and there it is. There's the fix with the new media button, or excuse me, with the new media window. And it's very slick. You can drag files right from your Finder. So if you have images in your Finder, and let's say on your desktop you have a couple of, I've got a ton of stuff here, but let's say the picture of the Netherlands image. Sure, I'll put that there. It has nothing to do with Peterborough Field Naturalists. But there it goes. And let's put it to the left this time, and medium size, insert into post. There it is. So now you can upload images. This upload insert media button now works, and that's the fix. So just a quick recap, you need to make sure you, before you go and empty cache, when you encounter the problem, you realize that you're running into the issue, save the changes, and then make sure you log out of your WordPress session. There we go. Make sure you log out of your WordPress session, then empty the cache. And that's the issue. That's the solve. You can get that from a very, very helpful dude. And I've actually bookmarked that right here in this forum. Very helpful post. I'll also include that in my blog post. Super, super helpful. This is where I got that tip. Deactivate the plugins, but make sure you've tried flushing any caching plugins you might be running, as well as the server and browser caches. So the browser caches is what we just did, and that solved the problem for the upload media button. Anyway, thanks guys. Cheers.